Hey guys, we're
Shifting as possible!
Today, 76% of the United States population live in cities. The population is increasing by 2 billion people over the next 2 decades, and limited resources are the greatest challenge for civil engineers. With 95% of population growth is in developing countries, an escalating challenge is to keep the nation together without the gap between techno-cities and rural villages opening up so wide that it drives poverty further.
Overpopulation causes major environmental issues. It begins with an increase in manufacturing, which breaks down the Earth's ozone layer. This affects the population by causing an increase of illnesses, which then leads to shorter lifespans. Overall, overpopulation creates a greater harm to mankind.
The overpopulation of mankind creates greater issues for civil engineers. Civil engineers face issues such as lack of materials, which leads to an overprice of said materials. This may tempt the engineers to cut corners while constructing buildings due to the high demand and lack of time. These small issues create an overall problem of safety and health of infrastructures, putting people in danger. A possible solution in regards to reducing growth population is if there was an incentive to having 2 or less children by reducing their education or child's education by 50%, which will reduce everything else such as manufacturing and damage to the environment. In regards to a solution for the issues that civil engineers may face due to lack of resources, we felt that recycling materials would be best. Materials can be reused from older buildings or created by melting plastics and molding them into the necessary tools. This can result in reasonable pricing, allowing for greater development. Reduce, reuse, recycle is the way of the future.